everyone, you're back at the Madcap Toys studio. My name is Kathy, and in this video I am actually going to show you what we have sold on eBay as well as Mercari in the last 24 hours. Stay tuned. Okay, so first of all, we have sold a 2011 new models from Hot Wheels, the Nissan Skyline HT 2000 TX. And so this car sold for $9.60, including shipping. And then from our comic book section, we sold from Valiant Comics, The Chaos Effect. This one was type A. This sold for $3.99 plus shipping. And if you hadn't known already, we do sell lots and lots of comics, and we do have many available in both our eBay and Mercari stores. And next up is something that we just sold as of just an hour or so ago on eBay. It is from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 1991 Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Raphael. This actually sold pretty good. It sold for $14.98 plus shipping. I do love selling a lot of the turtles. We've got several, both on eBay and Mercari in different types, so be sure to check it out. And then we have our 2015 Marvel Incredible Hulk. This one actually sold a little bit better. I had it on eBay for about 2 years and noticed it was not on Mercari, so I refreshed my eBay listing and then listed it on Mercari. And then within an hour, it sold on Mercari. So this one sold for $10 plus shipping on top. And never underestimate your McDonald's figures. This came from, of course, McDonald's. It's the 2008 McDonald's Gargoyle, and this one sold for $5.99 plus shipping. You'll notice at the very back of it, it has a little button here where you can push it, and I don't know if it's for the eyes or the arms or what have you. Oh, I see it. It's in the mouth, I think. Yeah, right? You guys can see it. Yeah, this one sold for $5.99 plus shipping. And then if you didn't know it already, we sell lots and lots of wrestlers, both loose as well as on card. As you know, this is The Rock, Dwayne Johnson, 2011 Jakks Pacific. This one sold for $9 plus shipping on top, and this was sold on Mercari. This was another example where this listing was on for 2 years on eBay. It kind of got dried up, this listing anyway. So I refreshed it, sold similar, ended the listing, sold similar, and then listed it on Mercari within a couple of hours. The Rock sold. And then what just sold a few minutes ago, we have the 1996 Mighty Ducks Spin Attack Mallory. This one was on card, a very nice looking card. This figure sold for $15 plus shipping on top. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video on what we sold within the last 24 hours. And I know that as we continue to list, you know, we sell more and more, so I will show more with you. Usually after dinner is when it really picks up for us, even into the midnight hours. So this was just what sold within the last little bit. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you liked the video, go ahead and like. If you haven't subscribed yet, you better. We are, at least at this moment, less than 15 away from 1,000 subscribers. So we're very happy. And I want to say hello to our latest subscriber. Her name is, I believe, Joni from Russia. So hello, Joni. And welcome to the Madcap Toys YouTube channel. We love to have you as a Madcapper. Also, too, if you haven't hit the bell yet, go ahead and do that. Notifications. Every time we upload a video, you're going to be the first to be notified. Guess what, guys? I'm excited. This weekend is Valentine's Day, and though Darren and I are so busy and we invest a lot into our business, this year we decided to make it exciting and buy presents for each other. So I sent him a e-list, so to speak, and I kind of know what he's been looking at lately, so I ordered him something. The only thing, guys, it's looking bad on me. In a few days is Valentine's Day on Sunday, and mine is still in the shipping area. So it's left the building, but it's still in transit between Michigan and here in Indiana. So I'm hoping that I get it before Sunday anyway. So we've got a couple more shipping days to go. So I'm starting to panic, but the Valentine's Day gifts that Darren bought me are already here. So he already peeked at them, put them up, and hid them in his closet, waiting to get them all put together to give me on Valentine's Day. So I'm excited. You know what? We may share a video of us opening our Valentine's Day gifts to each other, so you guys can enjoy that and see what we got. Also, too, coming up, we did actually ordered something recently. You may have seen it if you are subscribed to Shed Flips, the Shed Flips channel with Lonnie and Candace Honeycutt. We actually ordered something recently. He shouted us out a few days ago. So we're going to go ahead, and the next video will probably be us, or the next couple videos probably, unboxing what we ordered to show you what we're going to list on eBay as well as Mercari. If you have any questions about toys, or you've got toys that you would like to sell, let us know in the comments below. We'll check it out and see what we can do. And, you know, we love having you with us. We enjoy your presence. We enjoy your comments, and everywhere, whether it's Facebook or Instagram. If you want to find us on social media, check out the description. I think we have us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and the list goes on. So I think we're also on gab.com as well as MeWe.com as well. So check out that, and we would love to have you as part of us. So check out also our stores on eBay as well as Mercari. Those are listed also in the description as well. So I am going to get things ready for packing those items that we just sold. So I won't take up any more of your time, but if, like I said, if you love the video, go ahead and like it and engage with us and let us know what you loved and what you want to see next. Until next time, bye-bye, guys.